Hi, I'm Tina Ruggiero, nutrition expert, mixologist, and cookbook author. Today I'm going to show you how to make a vodka mojito. It's a little twist on the classic, but it's just as delicious. So you're going to start with about 12 mint leaves, and that's approximately the number of mint leaves on one sprig. Then we're going to use about 3/4 of an ounce simple syrup, and we're going to use about an ounce of lime juice. I like to freshly squeeze mine. It gives it just that delicious citrus flavor. So we're going to muddle, and if you want to learn about the proper way to muddle, just check out my video with the same title. And when you've muddled the mint for about 10 seconds, being careful not to bruise it too much, just enough to bring out those delicious flavors, you're going to add some crushed ice. And be generous with the ice. Fill it up. So your drink, so far, looks like this. Now you're going to add approximately 3 ounces of club soda and vodka. And whatever vodka you like is perfect for your drink. There isn't one better kind to use. You can use super premium. You can even use a flavored vodka. But 1.5 ounces right on top. And I like to leave a little window because it makes it slightly easier to drink. So you want to give your drink a good stir. And if you want to garnish, use a lime wedge and some fresh sugar cane, and it makes it a beautiful presentation. So here you are. Cheers. Enjoy your vodka mojito.